வணக்கம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். Maths is not difficult, கணிதம் கடினம் அல்ல. Regular practice, periodical tests, this is the way to approach mathematics. தொடர்ச்சியான முயற்சியை மேற்கொண்டு பயிற்சி, அதனால தேர்ச்சி விகிதம் கண்டிப்பா கூடும். இதை மட்டும் ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்க, போதுமானது. டிஃபரன்ஷியல் கால்குலஸ் ஆரம்பிச்சு கிட்டத்தட்ட ஒரு 2 கிளாஸ் நம்ம நடத்திட்டோம். எல்லாருக்குமே டிஃபரன்ஷியல் கால்குலஸ் மேல இருக்கிற இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் கண்டிப்பா கூடியிருக்கும், அது ஒன்றும் டவுட்டே இல்லை. பட் யூ வில் நாட் லீவ் இட் டிஃபரன்ஷியல் கால்குலஸ் those who are concentrating centum. But it is not a toughest syllabus, this is the easiest chapter. Already we started tangent and normal. I told 7 wonders like 7 steps. Can we remember? Given equation, point on the curve, find dy by dx, substitute the point on dy by dx, that is slope of tangent, then slope of normal, equation of tangent, equation of normal. That is enough to solve this exercise. Now, shall we go to exercise number 5.2, question number 4. At what points on the curve x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0, the tangent parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis? What is the given equation? X square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. That is the given equation. What is the first condition? Parallel to tangent parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis means dy by dx equal to 0. dy by dx equal to 0. So first what we have to do? Find dy by dx. What is the differentiation of x square? 2x. What is the differentiation of y square? 2y. Differentiation of y is dy by dx. Minus 2 minus 4. Differentiation of y is dy by dx equal to 0. I think 2 table is common, that's why we can divide it by 2. X plus y dy by dx minus 1 minus 2 dy by dx equal to 0. So dy by dx common, y minus 2 dy by dx is equal to 1 minus x. Now what is dy by dx? dy by dx is equal to 1 minus x by y minus 2. What is the condition? Tangent parallel to x-axis. Tangent parallel to x-axis, dy by dx equal to 0. So 1 minus x by y minus 2 equal to 0. 1 minus x equal to 0, 1 is equal to x. We know x, we have to find out the y. Substitute x in the equation, 1 square plus y square minus 2 minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. Y square minus 4y equal to 0. Y common, y minus 4 equal to 0. Y equal to 0, y is equal to 4. Therefore, 1 comma 0 and 1 comma 4. What is the second condition? Tangent parallel to y-axis. Tangent parallel to which axis? Y-axis. That is dx by dy equal to 0. Dx by dy means reciprocal. Y minus 2 by x minus 1 equal to 0 means y is equal to 2. Substitute y equal to 2 in this equation, will get x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Don't put directly, put x equal to y equal to 2 to x square, substitute and simplify, will get this result. Now factorize. X minus 3 into x plus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to 3, x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, point on the curve 3, 2 and minus 1, 2. Clear? என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க பாருங்க? Given equation. What is the first condition? Tangent parallel to x-axis. Tangent parallel to x-axis, dy by dx equal to 0. dy by dx equal to 0. Then differentiate 2x, 2y dy by dx minus 2 minus 4 dy by dx equal to 0. dy by dx common, y minus 2 equal to 1 minus x. dy by dx equal to 1 minus x by y minus 2. 1 minus x by y minus 2 equal to 0. 1 equal to x. Substitute x equal to 1 in the given equation, will get y square minus 4y equal to 0. Y common, y minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, y equal to 0 or y is equal to 4. So, 1 comma 0, 1 comma 4. Tangent parallel to y-axis, dx by dy equal to 0 or dy by dx equal to infinity. So, y minus 2 by x minus 1 equal to 0, y is equal to 2. Therefore, x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0, factorize, will get this result. That's all. Shall we go to next problem? Sum number 6. Find the equation of normal to the curve y equal to x cube minus x, that is parallel to the line 2x plus 18y minus 9 equal to 0. Given equation y equal to x cube minus 3x. X cube minus 3x, which is parallel to 2x plus 18y minus 9 equal to 0. Which is parallel to the line? Normal parallel to the line. That's why first you have to find out the slope of normal. Then slope of line. Normal parallel to the line. Slope of normal equal to slope of line. Then find the equation of tangent. What is the first step? Second step, point on the curve x1, y1. What is the next step? Differentiate. dy by dx equal to 3x square minus 3x. 3x differentiation is 3. 3x square minus 3. Then slope of tangent m is equal to 3x1 square minus 3. Then slope of normal. Slope of normal, that is minus 1 by m equal to minus 1 by 3x1 square minus 3. Now m is equal to 3x1 square, that is slope of normal. Next, what is the line given? The line 2x plus 18y minus 9 equal to 0. Slope of line. Slope of line 2x plus 18y minus 9 equal to 0 is minus 2 by 18, that is minus 1 by 9. What is given? Normal is parallel to the line. Which is normal? This is normal. Slope of normal. This is line. Therefore, slope of normal equal to slope of line. Because normal parallel to the line. Slope of line. என்ன வரும் பாருங்க? minus 1 by 3 x1 square minus 3 equal to minus 1 by 9. If it is equating, you will get 3x1 square minus 3 equal to 9. 3x1 square equal to 12. x1 square equal to 4. x1 equal to plus or minus 2. If you know x1, we can find out y1 using that. So y1 equal to x1 cube minus 3x1. Put x1 equal to 2, y1 is 2 cube, that is minus 3 into 2, 8 minus 6, y1 is also 2. Therefore, point when x1 equal to minus 2, y1 minus 2. Therefore, point on the curve 2 comma 2 and minus 2 comma minus 2. We have to find out the equation of normal. Equation of normal at x1 y1. What is the formula? Y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m x minus x1. First you use the point 2 comma 2, y minus 2. What is minus 1 by m? Minus 1 by 3x1 square minus 3. இதனுடைய வேல்யூ என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க பாருங்க, minus 1 by 9. Minus 1 by 9 x minus 2. Cross multiply. 9y minus 18 equal to minus x plus 2. X plus 9y minus 20 equal to 0. Same way, next you have to consider that point minus 2 comma 2. Y plus 2 equal to minus 1 by 9 x plus 2. 9y plus 18 equal to minus x minus 2. X plus 9y plus 20 equal to 0. Therefore, the normals are x plus 9y minus 20 equal to 0, x plus 9y plus 20 equal to 0. Clear? Next, sum number 7. P be a point on the curve y equal to x cube, and suppose that the tangent line at P intersects the curve again at Q, prove that slope at Q equal to 4 times slope at P. என்ன சொல்றாங்க பாருங்க, first y equal to x cube. Y equal to x cube na, it looks like this way. This is the y equal to x cube. P be any point. P be any point. From P draw a tangent. The tangent at P intersect the curve again at Q. Let us consider at P x is equal to a. What is the given equation? Y equal to x cube. When we put x is equal to a, y equal to a cube. Consider at P x is equal to a. Consider at P x is equal to a, therefore y equal to a cube. So P of a comma a cube. find the equation of tangent at P. So how do you find the equation of tangent? Point on the curve, that is P of A comma A cube. What is the next step? Dy by dx, that is 3x square. Substitute the point M, x is 3a square. This is slope at P. Slope at P, M equal to 3a square. What we have to prove? We have to prove slope at Q equal to 4 times of slope at P. Slope at Q is 4 times of slope at P. If you want to find out the slope at Q, first you have to find the point of intersection of line and tangent. For that, first you have to find out the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1. What is y1? Y1 is a cube. What is m? 3a square. X minus x1a. Y equal to 3a square x minus 3a cube plus a cube. Y is equal to 3a square x minus 2a cube. That is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. Solving 1 and 2 to find Q. Solving 1 and 2. 1 and 2 கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா first solve. What is the equation number 1? Y equal to x cube. What is the equation number 2? Y equal to 3a square x minus 2a cube. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணலாம் பாருங்க, x cube equal to 3a square x minus 2a cube. X cube minus 3a square x plus 2a cube equal to 0. If we factorize, we'll get x minus a square into x plus 2a. இதை factorize பண்ணீங்கன்னா you'll get this result. X is equal to a, x is equal to minus 2a. Already we know that x is equal to a is at P. Therefore, at Q, x is equal to minus 2a. We have to find out slope at Q. Slope at Q, that value substitute in dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to 3 into minus 2a square. 3 into 4a square. Rearrange 4 into 3a square. Already we know that slope at P is 3a square. Therefore, slope at Q equal to 4 times of slope at P. Clear? பாருங்க, first என்ன பண்றோம் பாருங்க, y equal to x cube என்ற curve வரைகிறோம். Let us take any point P. We don't know the point, that's why consider x is equal to a. Substitute x is equal to a, y is equal to a cube. From that point, we have to find out the slope of tangent, then equation of tangent. The tangent intersect the curve again at Q. If you want to find out point of intersection, solve the two equations. Equation 1 and 2, left hand side equal, that's why right hand side equal. X cube minus 3a square x plus 2a cube equal to 0. If we factorize this, we'll get x minus a square into x plus 2a equal to 0. X is equal to a, x is equal to minus 2a. Slope at Q equal to dy by dx 3 times of minus 2a whole square, that is 3 into 4a square, 4 of 3a square. Slope at Q equal to 4 times of slope at P. Is it clear? Solve பண்ணிடலாமா? போடுறீங்க இல்லையா? இது 10 mark question. என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? Today night itself you can complete this problem as a test. Question number 8. 8 நான் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க பாருங்க. Question number 8. Prove that the curve 2x square plus 4y square equal to 1 and 6x square minus 12y square equal to 1 cut each other at right angles. If two curves given, the angle between the two curves tan theta equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Condition number 1, if m1 equal to m2, then பண்ணிந்தப்பா அது ஒரு 28 செட் நிறுத்திட்டு மீதி இப்ப முடிச்சலான்னாரு. சரி உங்களால பேச சொன்னேன். போட்டு விட்டுலாம், அது ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை தானப்பா. சார் கேஷ் நேரம் எடுத்து போயிட்டு பேங்க்ல முதல் போட்டுட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் முக்கால் 11 மணிக்கா ஓகே. So they are perpendicular. M1 into M2 equal to minus 1, they are perpendicular. So let us consider the curve y equal to f of x, y equal to g of x. The intersecting point x1 comma y1. From that point we can draw one tangent. This is another tangent. The angle between the curve, that is theta, tan theta equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. If m1 equal to m2, the tangents are parallel. m1 into m2 equal to minus 1, they are perpendicular. So question என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க பாருங்க. Prove that the curves 2x square plus 4y square equal to 1 and 6x square minus 12y square equal to 1 cut each other at right angles. So நம்மளுக்கு there are two equations given. 2x square plus 4y square equal to 1, 6x square minus 12y square equal to 1. First you have to solve the point of intersection. Point of intersection, just you have to consider x1 comma y1. Solve these two equations. Equation multiplied by 3. 6x square plus 12y square equal to 3. 6x square minus 12y square equal to 1. Add 12x square equal to 4. X square equal to 4 by 12. Therefore, x square equal to 1 by 3. Substitute x square equal to 1 by 3, y square equal to, you will get 1 by 12. Substitute பண்ணி பாருங்க. Therefore, x1 square equal to 1 by 3, y1 square equal to 1 by 12. Next, you have to find out slope of the first curve. How do you find the slope? Differentiate with respect to x. 4x plus 8y dy by dx equal to 0. 8y dy by dx equal to minus 4x. dy by dx is equal to minus x by 2y. 4 cancel 2 times. Therefore, m1 equal to minus x1 by 2y1. Differentiate the second curve. 12x minus 24y dy by dx equal to 0. Minus 24y dy by dx equal to minus 12x. dy by dx equal to, that is x by 2y. Therefore, m2 equal to x1 by 2y1. Product of the slope, m1 into m2. What is m1? Minus x1 by 2y1 into x1 by 2y1. That equal to minus x1 square by 4y1 square. That equal to minus x1 square value is 1 by 3. 4y1 square is 1 by 12. Cancel 3. Minus 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 3, that equal to minus 1. So, product of the slope equal to minus 1, the given curves cut at right angles. First, na pandrom, solving these two equations, find out the values of x square and y square. From that, we will write x1 square, y1 square, because x1, y1 satisfies the equation. Then differentiate the first equation, find out dy by dx. Substitute the point, that is m1. Differentiate the second equation, that is m2. Then product of the slope, m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. m1 into m2 will get minus x1 square by 4y1 square. x1 square value is 1 by 3. y1 square is 1 by 12. Therefore, product of the slope equal to minus 1. If you want to find out the angle between the two curves, substitute tan theta equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. The next important question, sum number 10. So that the normal to the curve x is equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to a sin cube theta at theta is x cos theta minus y sin theta equal to a cos 2 theta. என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க பாருங்க, x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta. Sum number 10. It is an important question. Important 10 mark question. To find the equation of normal at theta. Equation of normal at theta. That's why we have to find out the point on the curve. Theta is not given. That's why point on the curve a cos cube theta, comma a sin cube theta. Next, what we have to find out? You have to find out dy by dx. First, dx by d theta. 3a cos square theta. Differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. dy by d theta. 3a sin square theta. Sin theta differentiation is cos theta. Power comes front, power minus 1, then differentiate sin. From this, first you have to find out dy by dx. What is the formula? dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. What is dy by d theta? 3a sin square theta cos theta divided by minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. One sin cancel, cos cancel, 3a cancel. Therefore, slope of tangent m equal to minus sin theta by cos theta. உணர்ச்சி வசப்பட்டு tan theta எழுதிட்டா ஆன்சர் கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியாது. ஆனா நமக்கு தேவை என்னன்னா slope of normal. Slope of normal minus 1 by m equal to cos theta by sin theta. Then equation of normal. Equation of normal y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m x minus x1. What is y minus y1? Y minus y1 is a sin cube theta minus 1 by m, that is cos theta by sin theta, x minus x1 is a cos cube theta. Y sin theta minus a sin power 4 theta equal to x cos theta minus a cos power 4 theta. X is positive, that's why keep y that side, a cos power 4 theta this side. A cos power 4 theta minus a sin power 4 theta equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta. X cos theta minus y sin theta equal to a common, cos power 4 can be written as cos square of square, sin power 4 is sin square of square. Only you have to simplify right hand side. This is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square formula a plus b into a minus b. So a cos square theta plus sin square theta 1, cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta. I think got the answer. X cos theta minus y sin theta equal to a cos 2 theta. Repeated கேக்குற 10 mark question. இதான் சம்ல கொடுத்திருக்காங்கப்பா. theta கொடுக்கல, theta கொடுத்தா theta substitute பண்ற பாயிண்ட் தான் x1 y1. Theta is not given, that's why this is x1, this is y1. From x you have to find out dx by d theta. From y you have to find out dy by d theta. இந்த ரெண்டு லைன் தான் differentiation. பவர் முன்னால வருது, பவர்ல ஒன்னு குறைக்கிறீங்க, then differentiation of cos. பவர் முன்னால வருது, பவர்ல ஒன்னு குறைக்கிறீங்க, then differentiation of sin is cos. Then dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. dy by d theta value, dx by d theta value, cancel it, minus sin by cos. தயவு செய்து minus sin by cos tan ன்னு எழுதிட்டீங்கன்னா simplify பண்ண முடியாது. That's why don't write tan. Then slope of normal minus 1 by m means cos by sin. Write the reciprocal. Change the sign. Then equation of normal minus 1 by m x minus x1. Y minus y1 m minus 1 by m x minus x1. Cross multiply and simplify. இங்க பட்டம் பாருங்க, cos power 4 a cos square of square எழுதலாம், sin power 4 a sin square of square. This is in the form of a square minus b square. What is the formula to find square minus b square? A minus b into a plus b. A plus b into a minus b. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta. Got the answer. The last question in this exercise. It is also 10 mark question. என்ன question கொடுத்திருக்காங்க பாருங்க. If the curve y square equal to x, y square equal to x, first equation. Second equation, xy equal to k. Cut at right angles. Prove that 8k square equal to 1. Cut at right angles. They are perpendicular. What is the condition? m1, m2 equal to minus 1. You use the condition. Prove that 8k square equal to 1. First, you have to solve these two equations. First step, find the point of intersection if two curves given. Solve. Instead of x, put y square. Y square into y equal to k. Y cube equal to k. Y is equal to k power 1 by 3. Substitute y equal to k power 1 by 3 in this equation. Y square, that is x is equal to k power 1 by 3 whole square, that is k power 2 by 3. So therefore, point on the curve, point of intersection k power 2 by 3 comma k power 1 by 3. Then you have to find out the slope of first equation, slope of the second equation. For finding slope of the first equation, differentiate the first equation. 2y dy by dx equal to 1. Second, dy by dx equal to 1 by 2y. What is y? K power 1 by 3. This is equal to m1. Differentiate the second equation. X dy by dx plus y, differentiation of x is 1. Dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Therefore, m2 equal to minus y is k power 1 by 3, x is k power 2 by 3. What is the condition given? The curves cut at right angles. Cut at right angles means m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. What is 1 by 2 k power 1 by 3 into minus k power 1 by 3 divided by k power 2 by 3 equal to minus 1. Minus minus cancel. K power 1 by 3 cancel. 1 by 2 equal to k power 2 by 3. Appo 1 by 2 cube equal to k square raised to the power 3, 3 cancel. 1 by 2 cube is 1 by 8 equal to k square. Therefore, 1 equal to 8k square. Hence proved. என்ன பண்ணிருக்கேன் பாருங்க, solve. Ordinary solve பண்றீங்க. Differentiate the first equation, differentiate the second equation, then product of the slope equal to minus 1. answer பண்றோம். So 5.2ல இருக்கிற எல்லா 10 மார்க் எக்ஸசைஸ் ப்ராப்ளம் முடிச்சிட்டோம். எக்ஸாம்பிள்ல சில கொஸ்டின்ஸ் டஃப்பா இருக்கும், அந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸ் மட்டும் நான் போடுறேன். எல்லா கொஸ்டினும் டஃப் கிடையாது, எல்லாமே இதே ப்ரொசீஜர் தான். ப்ரொசீஜர் சேம், அதுல எந்த வித டீவியேஷன் இல்லை. ஒரே ஒரு 2 கொஸ்டின்ஸ், அந்த 2 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்த்துட்டோமா இதுல இருக்கிற 10 மார்க் முடிச்சலாம். எக்ஸாம்பிள் பாருங்க, எக்ஸாம்பிள் நம்பர் எது டஃப்பா இருக்குமோ அதை மட்டும் நான் போடுறேன்பா. Example number 5.17. Find the angle between the curve y equal to x square and y equal to x minus 2 square. Y equal to x square, y equal to x minus 2 square. First what we have to do? Find the point of intersection. Left hand side same, adanal right hand side same. X square equal to x minus 2 square. X square equal to x square minus 4x plus 4. Cancel. 4x equal to 4, x is equal to 1. 2 x is equal to 1, y equal to 1. Therefore, point of intersection 1, 1. Differentiate the first equation, dy by dx, that is 2x, m1 equal to 2. Differentiate the second equation, dy by dx, that is 2 into x minus 2. m2 is 2 into 1 minus 2, that is minus 2. Then you have to find out the angle. Tan theta equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. What is m1? 2 minus m2 minus of minus plus 2, 1 plus 2 into minus 2. That is 4 by 1 minus 4. That is 4 by minus 3. Therefore, tan theta equal to 4 by 3. When we take modulus, minus fly away. So, theta equal to tan inverse of 4 by 3. போட்டலாம் இல்லையா? சால்வ் பண்றோம். Point, differentiate the first equation, substitute the point, differentiate the second equation, substitute the point. எக்ஸாம்பிள் இந்த இடத்துல மாத்தி போட்டிருக்காங்க -2 கன்ஃபியூஷன் ஆயிடாதீங்க. So 2 plus 2 by 1 plus 2 into -2, that is 4, 1 minus 4, 4 by -3, tan inverse of 4 by 3. இன்னும் ஒரே ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் முடிச்சுட்டு இந்த எக்ஸசைஸ் நம்ம கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணலாம். மற்ற எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ்லாம் ஒர்க் பண்ணி பாருங்க. If you have doubt, example number 5.18. Find the condition that ax square plus by square equal to 1, a1x square plus b1y square equal to 1, cut orthogonally, prove that 1 by condition for orthogonal. Orthogonal, now what is the condition? Product of the slope equal to -1. First you have to solve. Let the point of intersection unknown. அதனால நான் கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கலாம் x1, y1. இதை சால்வ் பண்ண முடியாது. யூசிங் டிட்டர்மினன்ட் மெத்தட் ஆல்ரெடி யூ ஸ்டடிட் இன் எக்ஸசைஸ் நம்பர் 1.4. டெல்டா ab a1 b1. Simplify ab1 minus a1b. Delta x1 square, that is 1 1 b1, b1 minus b. Delta y1 square, a1 1 1, a minus a1, that is x1 square equal to delta x1 square by delta b1 minus b by a b1 minus a1b. y1 square, a minus a1 by a b1 minus a1b. These are the concept already you studied in first chapter. Therefore, we know x1 square and y1 square. We have to prove that orthogonal. Differentiate the first equation. 2ax plus 2by dy by dx equal to 0. 2 cancel. by dy by dx equal to minus ax. So, m1 equal to minus ax1 by by1. X replaced by x1. Similarly, m2 equal to minus a1 x1 by b1 y1. What is the condition? Cut orthogonally. So, curves cut orthogonally. What is the condition? m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. What is m1? Minus ax1 by by1 into minus a1 x1 by b1 y1 equal to minus 1. Minus minus cancel. A x1 square equal to minus b1 1. What is x1 square? a1 x1 square is b1 minus b divided by a b1 minus a1b equal to minus b b1 a minus a1 by a b1 minus a1b. Same cancel. a1 அங்க எடுத்து வந்துருங்க, b b1 இங்க வந்துருங்க. b1 minus b by b b1 minus உள்ள மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணீங்கன்னா a1 minus a by a1 minus plus ஆ மாறிடும், plus minus ஆ மாறிடும். b1 by b b1 minus b by b b1 equal to a1 by a1 minus a by a1. 1 by b minus 1 by b1 equal to 1 by a minus 1 by a1. That is the condition. Repeated public lecture 10 mark question. So, exercise number 5.2 இதான். எல்லா சமம் பாருங்க, திருப்பி இதே தான். ஒன்னு ஆங்கிள் கேட்கலாம், ஆர்த்தாகனல் கேட்கலாம், ஈக்குவேஷன். ஸோ இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸ்ல நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம்? Find the angle and orthogonal. Step number 1, write the equation. Step number 2, find the point of intersection. Step number 3, differentiate first curve, substitute the point, find m1. Differentiate the second curve, substitute the point m2. Then, if you want to find out angle, tan theta equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Cut orthogonally means m1 m2 equal to -1. இது வரல நீங்க ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணீங்கன்னா டெஃபினட்டா ஒரு 10 மார்க் கண்டிப்பா அட்டன் பண்ணிடலாம். ரிமைனிங் எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் ஒர்க் பண்ணி பாருங்க. இஃப் யூ ஹேவ் எனி டவுட் யூல் ஆஸ்க் இன் தி நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ். ஸோ டிஃபரன்சியேஷனை மெயின் 2 எக்ஸசைஸ் முடிச்சிட்டோம். இன்னும் 2 எக்ஸசைஸ் தான் மெயின் 5.10 5.11. இன்பிட்வீன்லாம் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா இருக்கும். இதுக்குள்ளேயே டஃப் தான். ஆனா உங்க முகத்தெல்லாம் பார்க்கும்போது ரொம்ப ஈஸியா இருக்கிற மாதிரி தோணுது. அப்படிதானப்பா? எஸ், வெரி குட். அதனால என்ன பண்றீங்க, இன்னைக்கே போயிட்டு 10 மார்க் எல்லாம் எழுதி முடிச்சிருவோமா? ரைட். ஸோ இதே ட்ரெண்டோட போயிட்டு வீட்டில் 10 மார்க் ஒர்க் பண்ணி பாருங்க. வில் see in the next class. Thank you.